Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to strike through. So if you want to create strike through, you can sort the text, like I will sort at this text, and you can go to fonts and there are the strike through icon. You can click to apply the strike through. You also can set the strike through by using right click. Okay, I will select against these words, right click, and then you can click on font, and there are the option for the effect. You can use the strike stroke or you can use the double strike stroke. If you done, you can click OK. Okay, you can select again at this point. You can click the strike stroke icon, or another option we can use the strike stroke option. You can right click, go to font, and then you can check for the strike stroke. Click OK to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to strike through. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.